Day 9 of the month of May. I've phoned a friend. He's on his way over as we speak, hopefully. We're going to figure out this welding thing. He is a welder. Does it for a living. He works in a metal shop. We'll see if he gets on camera. If not, it's not a big deal. But we're going to set the machine up. We're going to get a couple of things done. He's going to give me some pointers on what I should be doing position wise, how to get things started, amperage. So as long as he can weld with my setup, then I know the issue is me, not the machine, which I suspect it probably is. So yeah, I'm going to get some sample pieces up, and get ready to start messing around with some welds. All right, so I've got my welder set up now, thanks to my buddy who came over, and so what he did, much better than that's what I did right there. So I did a small tack, I did a couple of small tacks, I missed one. So I am going to do some more personally. I mean, what's the worst that could happen, right? So once I figure out everything, then I will tack up my manifold, or not my manifold, but I'll tack up, all the pipes that go around and everything else, and get it all fitted up so that, yeah, we can move forward with this project and finally, put the turbo on and maybe even start the car again. It's been 5 months. That's at least 5 months since I've started it. So well, a welder I am not. Tack welder I am not. Oh my goodness, I struggle. I This row is mine, not these two. Holes in it, bigger holes in it. But I mean, like, I was doing decent. This one's mine. Like, it wasn't horrible at one point. Um, yeah, it's definitely not good. Um, will it work? Who knows? I sure as hell don't. Um, I tried to pick up some of the action of my welding on my other cameras here. Um, who knows if it's going to work? It may work, it may not. I'll try to add some footage. If not, well, you won't see it. I really shouldn't show you, it's that bad. Um, but that ends day 9 of the month of Meh. Uh, I'm in a little bit better spirits than I have been. Um, it's been an interesting few days. I do feel better that the welder is not the problem and that I am the problem, because yeah, I would have been really upset. The welder was yet another problem, or the gas was a problem. But regardless, the struggle is real, and the effort is meh. So I will catch you tomorrow, and who knows what I'll be doing tomorrow. Good night.